In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Bybit account and show you step by step how to close a Bybit account. It's worth mentioning that when you close your Bybit account, you will not be able to log into your account once you have confirmed the account deactivation. Also, the registered email address and phone number you've used for your account cannot be used to create another Bybit account. Also, if your account has been KYC verified, you will not be able to verify another Bybit account using the same ID, documents, and legal name. In addition to this, all sub-accounts under your main account will be subject to the same restrictions. According to Bybit, they do all of this for record-keeping purposes, and you can refer to their privacy policy for more details. After deactivating your account, you can apparently recover it, but I have not tried this, so please do this at your own risk. But considering what I've just mentioned, if you want to still deactivate your account, once you've logged in, go to your account in the top right, then you want to click on Account and Security. From here, you want to scroll down to the bottom, and then you want to click on Deactivate Account. Then you need to read through their statement and choose the most applicable reason as to why you are closing your account. And then you have to tick that you have understood and agreed to their statement. And then to finalize it, you will click on Deactivate this account. I'm not going to do this because I actually want to keep my account open. So anyway, that's how to close your Bybit account. If you got any value from this video, then please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe as I upload new finance and crypto related content every week. And if you're just getting started with crypto, you may be wondering what's the difference between a coin and a token, so I recommend watching this video next. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.